This place is called cave. Okay, this place is called cave, but when you go inside there is so many entrance that can lead you to another place. Wait, I have to show you. You see, so if you are interested, maybe if you are in Nigeria or if you are around, you can join me. Maybe one day we can give it a try to go inside the cave and explore. Okay, do you see the place? That place that you are seeing right now is an entrance. Those holes that you are seeing, do you see? Do you see? This place is very big, very lovely. So if you are interested, we can also go together. Okay, do you see? This is called Ogbunike Cave. Look at the inside, it's very dark, but also very interested. You see? Do you see? Do you want to go there with me? Let's explore. In case if you are seeing this video. Hold on. I have something very important to show you because I love nature. So I really want you to stay with me, okay? Stay with me for some couple of minutes. I have something very important to show you. But before then, let me show you around. Do you see? Do you see the beautiful trees? Do you see? Do you see? So right now I'm going down to the water side. The place look very nice. I will show you. But before then, stay with me. I want you to stay with me, okay? Stay with me, stay with me. Let me show you. Stay with me, let me show you. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Have you seen this type of thing before? Wow. Have you really seen this type of thing before? God is really wonderful. Do you see that? Can you see that? God is really, really wonderful. Do you see that? Do you see?